How big were you able to grow the account after 3 years of making money? I traded a 7-figure account. I've had triple digit returns since 2022. That's the bear market year, right? Yeah. Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, they're just like my what I want to be paying attention to, yeah. But like I used to like put labels on things. Like I used to organize them like this. Like I'd put labels on everything, but I don't do that anymore because I like to use the tags to sort things, and I pretty much know what every stock does off the dope. And you should too. Know what you're trading. Most of my good trades are from like base breakouts, yeah. I wouldn't say horizontal support resistance level breakouts. That's not what I would class. I would say I use those as like a way to enter, but what I'm really looking for is like a base. Cup and handle, right? Like First Solar. This is a very typical cup and handle. You know, the cup and handle coming off a cup and handle in the monthly. That's what I'm looking for. And the horizontal levels are just a way that you can get confirmation on when something might be leaving. And it also gives you confirmation on like seeing this get supported under 218 and seeing it retest 218 and find support there is really, really good. So that's because people that are long the stock, like institutions, are going to come and support it at these levels. Traders going to enter that. That's how you know that it's getting bought. I look for big green volume, right? I've been over this a few times on stream, but this is like if you read Weinstein, Cooling, anyone that goes over stage analysis is going to talk about this. You want to see the big green volume bars on the weekly. Fix, what is this again? Oh, this is aerospace engineering. Yeah, so this is pretty strong, I guess, but this is something that I don't really like the way it trends too much on the daily. It's a little choppy. You probably should trade this on the weekly. But yeah, this is like in a big uptrend. So obviously it's very strong. It's making a new base at highs. I mean, for this, if I were to trade it, I would just buy it over like maybe this level. Like you don't have to draw. This is like the highs, obviously, but this is like see it tested there. So just wait for it to break that level, I guess. But it's choppy on the daily. I don't really like it. It's probably gonna go up. What is it? Is this aerospace related or is this just industrial? Because if it's aerospace, you have a better bet with it. No, I don't have a podcast. Yeah, so this is like an industrial company that does a bunch of different things, I guess. Some renewable stuff. If you like to trade these kind of stocks, then do it. I'm just not going to trade it because, like, you see how it trends, right? See how it trends like this? It's not really my type of stock. There's a lot of stocks that trend like this in healthcare biotech space too. They're really strong, but they just kind of grind. And like here, actually, it had a good move. So it had one good move, actually. You know what? We'll set an alert, see what happens, but it can move, I guess. So do you see what I'm saying? This is the one trend that I would have liked to be in. Everything else is just kind of grindy. Yeah. But yeah, it's probably going higher. Uh, yeah, I would enter on the break, I guess, of the high. Some people wait for the candle to close. Um, no, you don't get as good risk reward that way. But if I miss it, sometimes I try to enter day two on a dip. Uh, you could, if you're not sure, then do it piecemeal. Enter some, like I don't enter everything at once most of the time. I enter like in pieces. It's just easier for me to think that way. Ideally, I would want to buy things on a dip before entering. Like I want to do that on First Solar. I wanted to buy at 218, but I just didn't do it. But like for the really good setups, the ones that I want to get big size on, yeah, you kind of have to do it. Like if you enter all at once, I don't know, for me it's just feels kind of shaky. Okay, like this I did enter. I bought this all like here. I kind of chased the shit out of this, but it's okay. Sometimes you gotta chase. Yeah, this is kind of choppy, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like it's strong, but it's choppy. We had a good trend here, I guess, but I'm not really interested in it. What does it do? There's better stuff to trade, in my opinion. Like cassava. This one's really good.